Common GK questions about our India. First one, what is the capital of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Kolkata. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Chennai. Answer is New Delhi. Second one, who is the father of the nation? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Nehru. Option D, Patel. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Third one, what is the national animal of India? Option A, lion. Option B, tiger. Option C, elephant. Option B, leopard. Answer is tiger. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.